Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the vehicle ready. Park, set ignition to ACC or run the engine so the wireless pad gets power. Once done, remove thick cases and wipe the phone back in the pad. Debris prevents charging. Next, place your phone roughly centered on the Xuv700 pad. Alignment matters for coil coupling. If the pad requires a cable connection, plug it into the central console port and confirm the pad's indicator light comes on before moving to pairing. Now focus on the critical middle steps. You must fine-tune alignment to engage the charging coil. Gently slide the phone forward or backward until the console indicator or your phone shows the charging icon. Make sure the percentage begins to climb. While charging, avoid placing metal items, cards, or magnets near the pad because they interrupt energy transfer and can trigger safety cutouts. Also be mindful of heat. If the phone and pad get hot, remove the phone briefly to let temperature normalize. To complete the process, leave the phone centered until you reach your desired charge level and monitor the console light for charging status. If charging fails, first try a different Qi-compatible phone or swap the USB cable and port to isolate the issue. If problems persist, reset power by toggling ignition off and on. Make sure the pad's connector is secure. One key troubleshooting tip. Persistent failure often indicates a loose console connector or firmware issue. If so,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.